Welcome to my channel, my name is Luis Ribeiro and today we're gonna test, unbox and talk everything about the new Moza Aircross S. But first, what's in the box? One Aircross S, one tripod, one Arca L bracket, one quick release plate, one phone holder, one camera shutter cable, one charger cable, one user manual and one carrying case. Okay. Nice. That is these little things that you can attach, little holder. This, I assume that you can put like on your carry-on. Oof. I love the way that they are able to organize every single cord right here on the side. There it is, the tripod. Very tiny base. Here's the L plate. This is the phone mount, and then here is the plate. So there we have USB to USB-C, cord to control the camera. Love that. Here's the gimbal. Super tiny, very small. Look at this compared to my hand. Some parts it's metal, some parts of the body is plastic. Locking system that we all like and love and need, right? Little detail Moza here, very nice. And there you go, the organizers. We have 3 of those. You can mount and play in different ways that we want. Just so you have an idea, Aircross S, and this is the Aircross 3. Very, very different. The weight's very different as well, of course. Just so you know, the weight is 750 grams. The payload is 1.8 kilos. Power button right here on the side, and then a USB-C. There is the locker for this part. Then here we have the trigger, the record and start button, and this is the joystick, and then menu button on the side. Screen to control everything that we want. Here is the area that you can connect to use your camera. There we go. I'm gonna put it in the center. Put this here. Hold this. Slides right in. Now this one, I'm like, try to hold regular and super light. Very simple, eh? Unlock this. Unlock this. Come more this way. This one could go a little bit forward. This one's good to me too. That looks good to me. If you want a video in depth, I have one specific for balancing here on the channel. You can check that too. And if you want to learn everything about the Moza Aircross 3, you can check that as well. Or we can see here, we can check Bluetooth connection because we are able to use with our Moza app. We can literally mount 2 cameras at the same time. If you want to record BTS, final results for your videos with your phone vertically, you can do that too. So basically this tiny gimbal you are able to use on your smartphone. The smartphone size is 58 by 88 millimeter. Just keep that in mind. Action cameras, mirrorless cameras, full frame, cinema camera, and thanks for the Arca Swiss quick release plate, we can put straight on the tripod or the SlidePod Pro. Very easy. You don't need to keep switching from every single camera. We can see the joystick here, clean, very smoothly. The speed of the camera moving increases with the large moving range of the joystick. As you can see, they have a new ergonomic design. For my hand size, it's perfect. I wish that we had something to be a little bit more like, you know what I mean, on my skin. They have the grip here and here. I wish that you could add something here as well, but it's fine. You will get the job done, no problem. The battery life is 12 hours and you can charge in 1 hour. If your battery is blinking, means that you have less than 20% of battery. You can charge via USB-C or power bank. And one cool feature is because it's gonna stop charging when it's full. Joystick, if you press right, left, up, and down. Single press. If it's connected to your camera, if your camera allowed that system, you are able to do autofocus, which is very handy. You can check the list. The recording button right here on the back as well, right on top of the trigger button. Single click to start and end recording. If you double tap here, the trigger, go back regular mode, recenter everything. Triple press, 1, 2, 3. It's gonna activate selfie mode. Hold lock. then nothing is gonna move. You can do any direction that you want. Everything is gonna be facing that way, which is very useful. 1, 2, 3, and lock. Or you can hear it's kind of like an action mode because it's super fast. If you click one time on the menu button, you're gonna be able to navigate through all the settings. If you go to the right, you're gonna be able to confirm that settings. To navigate up and down, and to the left, you're gonna go back to the previous settings. And double tap the menu button to switch the follow mode. Triple tap the menu button, you're gonna be able to activate Inception mode, which is very cool and popular for music videos, or if you wanna get a little bit crazy with some camera movements. And triple click again to go back to normal. We are able to control the sensitivity of the joystick. Reverse, don't really recommend that. Adjust the horizon level, change the language, and reset the device. And one settings that I highly recommend is auto tune. This is nice if you want to calibrate. Press right and he's gonna do his thing. Make sure that the motor is well balanced. Usually I do that every single time that I put a new camera. Speed, there you go, the follow speed was very fast. Now if you put down, very slow, super smooth. I usually recommend to stay in this one. Mode PF, let's try TF. It's gonna follow the direction that you do. FPV, this one's cool too. You can do literally anything that you want. You should follow lock, it's that one. And press the menu button to exit the settings. Horizontal and vertical mode, very quick. Let's put this to sleep. Unlock this, clean, tilt this way, adjust the base, adjust the phone, lock this, press again, you're ready to go vertically. Easy, just like that. If we press 1, you go to sleep mode, press again, back on. Double click, you can change the speed of the settings that you're using. For now it was 2, it's gonna go for 3, 4, and 5. You can see now it's very fast. Let's double click again, back to 1. That's how we like it. Long press, of course, is gonna turn the gimbal off. The price is $269 US. Let me know in the comment down below what you think and if you're thinking to get one, okay? By the way, I have a coupon with 10% off, and this way you're not just gonna purchase the gimbal, but you're gonna be able to support me here on the channel to make videos like this just for you. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Turn on notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new video and giveaways here on the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.